Back again. This is a 2009 Mariner that I'm doing valve cover gasket on. CB, man, working out the back of the trunk, taking off all the wiring for it, take off the battery. All the wiring has to go or come out. Then I have to take off the valve cover. Turkey baster, take all the excess oil out, and got rid of it super legally. Right? That's what is the EPA standards? That's the environmental. What does EPA stand for? It should just pop up. I said should. I'm not fucking crazy.
Yeah, it's cooked. But that's what this is for.
Is it broken or is it?
It's fried.
Dude, yeah, it's melted.
It's fried, yeah.
What the
It's
fuck?
fried. That's what this is for. Now you know what that's for.
That's peculiar to say the fucking least. Let me not snap that fucking head.
Have you ever done that before?
Bro, in Cadillac, I was doing a brand new car, or a new-ish, right? They needed just a battery change, right? I broke the terminal bolt. Yeah, so I had to go to the foreman. Hey, bro, please, I need a new bolt. I told him not to tell anyone. He didn't, but cause you know he's old. He got mad, miscellaneous bolts and shit. The nigga pulled out the exact one I needed to fit the battery.
Oh, lucky. Customer would have been like,
Yo. Because I would have needed to change the because it was
the
this
whole
bolt
terminal,
that I broke off.
right?
Yeah.
The whole terminal.
And
splice that shit.
I wasn't. Yeah, bro. I was not doing that. Are you crazy?
That is a lot.
Should I drain the oil right now? There's a lot of rat shit in here that I have to.
How did that shit get in?
You know how the rats got in there? They just crawl in through the wheel well and then they crawl up. Cause you know when you park, you know that's why nobody park over here because fucking
But wait. They crawl up into the engine bay? No.
yeah. And they chew on all the wires up there. They chew on these wires. Look, that's why this shit is probably like this.
Nah,
probably
that's
chew to all hell.
Oh yeah. But
But also it could have burnt up because of the way this looks.
that shit is melted.
So
Look at that shit. It's deformed and everything.
nah, yeah, it looks pretty bad.
I don't even know how the fuck this shit still started.
Cause it's all willpower, man.
So you telling me I should go move my car?
This is why I'm moving my car. Regardless, I'm moving the Jeep. I'll cut it out anyway. You're smart. You like cars. Work on cars. Bro, I'm supposed to be putting turbos and tuning shit. Not sucking oil out with a fucking cum baster.
And cleaning shit?
Literally tuning shit. Fuck, man.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, because you know, you rags and cars, bro.
Yeah, bro, but like I told her, I need these towels.
He actually would have had to go to the
TJ Maxx has that's where I get my microfiber towels from. TJ Maxx.
Oh, word? I get mine from the gas station.
Nah, they probably charge too much, bro. TJ Maxx is like $2 for a pack of like 5.
Oh, yeah, $2 is good because I paid like 16 for mine.
it's pretty fucking dry if I do say so myself.
Valve gasket changing one-on-one.
Yo. What, fucking stupid?
No. That goes there in that corner.
Ugh.
At first I was like, how the fuck you gonna know how to put this in?
That's literally just following the thing. It even has little rivets to go over these bores for the what do you call it? The setting screws or whatever.
Yeah.
Old gaskets. There was no visible damage on them. This is the new one. New gasket. Just have to make sure it's seated properly when you put it in there. Everything, because if it's not, then it's gonna fuck up. Took out most of the excess oil that I could, right? So now, because I don't remember, but this, yeah, all the way pretty much up to this little lip filled with fucking oil. You couldn't even see the spark plug. These two were a little, you know, they were drowning a little bit up to their necks. This one, completely fine. I don't think that was the problem at all. So what I think was the oil from this one was overflowing so much it just spilled into this cam well, and then all of this obviously spilled over into these other two spark plugs, and then that's why it could be misfiring. So I'm going to take out the spark plugs right quick, clean them, clean the holes for them, and then throw them back in, see if that fixes it. If not, well, then obviously got to change the spark plugs as well. So yeah, it's all depending on what the customer wants to do. You never owned an iPhone before?
Nope.
Motherfucker.
Well, last iPhone I had was what, the 5?
Damn, nigga.
Ever since then, Samsung. Never went back.
See that spark plug?
Yeah, it's not the worst condition. I've seen worse.
I don't know, because isn't that like this ash buildup right here? Doesn't that mean it's old? It does, doesn't it?
Oh, this is 2009 that he's never serviced. I'm pretty sure he did the oil change himself, which might be why we're in this situation we're in today.
Yeah.
Could be he overfilled the oil, which is why this whole thing is, you know.
Darkness of them.
Yeah,
The darkness of them. That's definitely.
yeah, that's burnt
Oil.
up way too much. Yeah, I don't know how long he's been running this with that.
This is what burning oil looks like. I'm not gonna lie. This is actually, if you Google it, this is exactly what burnt oil looks like on spark plugs. So it is burning oil. I knew I wasn't bugging.
Oh yeah, there's no way the engine was gonna be in this state and not burning oil. No way in hell.
Leaking oil from every orifice.
Bro, literally.
Let me see that. Let me grab
And it's
that.
kind of
This is terrible.
thick. No, yeah. Well, we're getting closer to ground zero,
That's
so
too
you know,
thick.
you see,
That's
we're getting
too
closer
thick.
to the bore that was drowned in it. So
That's way too thick, bro.
now this is.
Ground zero.
Yep.
I'm expecting this one to look terrible.
This one should look fucking horrible. Oh shit, it's still dripping.
That's all over it. And it's thick.
Yeah, there's a lot of buildup on the tip of it.
Not only that, but you see in the grooves,
Yeah, it's pretty bad. I'm gonna have to go
That's-
through and clean these.
that's some thick oil.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean all of these. This is at least shit. I don't know when the last time the oil was changed on this.
It's looking better, looking better.
It's looking cleaner, but like you know how good can it look when it was
Drenched
how
in
it
oil.
was, you know?
True. I think it's gonna go
It's
right
better
back.
than when I picked it up though.
I think it's gonna go right back to where it was. I'm not gonna lie to you. Are you looking at it?
That one wasn't so. Just hand cleaned all of the spark plugs real quick. Try to clean up the oh my god, I'm fucking blanking right now. You know what I'm trying to say? As best as I could. I recommended a change anyway. I think he's gonna shoot for it, right? So yeah, these gotta go.
Delicious.
Yeah, you want these towels back, bro?
No, no, I'm good. I'm good. Keep it.
I don't have any more brake. I literally just ran out of brake clean on the last car that I did. I need to go re-up.
Blinding. Blinding.
Leave anything? No bolts on the magnet plates means no bolts forgotten on the car. Going through again. This is not fucking. That's
Double check, triple check, quadruple check.
it started